Okay, guys, it's round top day. We got up at 6 this morning to head out early to stop at one thrift store on our way before we hit Round Top. It is dark outside and a little bit rainy, so I hope that doesn't interfere with us walking the fields.
Not for me.
Yeah. But did I bring the umbrella?
I hope so.
I forgot the umbrella at the front door. I think Landon might have some in here. I forget. We're in my son's car. I forgot the umbrella, y'all. It's sprinkling. It's not raining hard. So, we're so excited. We love Round Top. So, we're going to see what we can find. Let's hope we find something this time.
I'm keeping my eyes on the road.
Keep your eyes on the road, Dave. We want to get there in 2 pieces. Stay tuned. Well, his piece and my piece. The skies are cloudy, my friend.
What'd you say?
I don't know. What did it say?
I thought you were trying to do that. The sea was angry this day, my friends. Like an old man whose soup is cold.
That field, don't that look pretty? There's your sign. And here's Tree Park. And they're still somewhat setting up.
Not really. They'll just put
They
it
look open, yeah. Is what, 10 o'clock right now? A little after 10?
It's 11.
It's 11 already?
Yeah.
Well, look.
We sprung forward, Tam.
They're, a lot of them are, their tents are shut up. Where's the Warrenton Inn? Here? Look at all them chandeliers. Man, they were collecting chandeliers. We turn it between Excess and Coles. Okay, we're here in Round Top. It's a cold, windy day, and we may come back on Sunday and watch it be hot as crap here, because that's the way they go. All right, we're gonna start looking. We're gonna be walking fast. Is this a Dawn doll?
So far, so good.
Oh, look. Look at the trivet. Martha just got some of those trivets. And see, Martha, you can put some coral on your trivets. There's another one. So, look, Oscars. For
The Country Playhouse.
mm,
It's pretty neat.
David needs an Oscar, huh?
Yeah. Acting like I'm happy.
Yeah, whatever. That's pretty. It's tin. These are earrings, plastic. Those are cool clip-ons. Those are neat. And of course, ooh, $8. It's a nudie pen. Salt and peppers. You see this tin? It looks like it's that marble.
Biscuits.
I like this. $200 for that. Had a light on it too. I'm not familiar with this set. What is that? Oh, a little lipstick. Is that a lipstick? Does that open?
Looks like it.
Turn it. Open it.
What? I'm trying to break this.
Okay. It won't open. That's interesting. And it has a mirror on the back. Cake toppers, 10 each. Oh, happy birthday to my hubby. How cute. I like that. For Auntie. Too busy to write. Place photo here. Butter up. Sorry you are ill. Christian, happy birthday. Cute little piggy bank. Oh, you insert your money there. Those are written in.
Don't touch.
I like this one.
That's cute.
It's like a book too. Toys, trinket toys. that one. Shotgun wedding. That's interesting.
Isn't he cute? He's little. Oh my goodness, I remember these. These are a good place to find these little figurines and stuff, like the old ones, like the Care Bears and all of those. Good little stuff
This
like
one
this.
comes with age.
Trolls or what have you.
Happy birthday, kid. Prize. Welcome to
Signs.
Capital.
Oh yeah. I get a late start. Yeah, it's almost like
Pins. Avon. Esther. Big toy. Songs. What you looking for?
My new cufflinks. Looking for the pair for that one.
Oh.
This one's cool. Look at this rocket ship. Where is it?
You lost the rocket ship?
What?
Look at that bracelet. It's tarnish. Would Landon like that?
Oh, Lord. Get the white one.
But it looks kind of dirty, don't it? Look at these. These are cute. Photo flowers.
They have pinups in them.
Pinups inside the photo flower. $14 for the set. I wish I knew more about old bottles. Pretty design. Oh, it's $4. dress. Cute dress. Indiana glass, egg, and can't think of the name. Relish tray. What's this? Does that go on that? Huh. Not sure. Oh my. Look at these records, how thick they are. Edison. Huh. I know Scott would be able to tell me about these. Wow. David, you see these records? Look how these are nice. Look at this. This is $2.50. That one's $2.50. And this is $3.35. I like that one. Oh, anybody need a Kotex machine? Have the lock on it. Doctor on call. Some lovely jewelry. 15, 20. That's $3. What is this? Those are one of those clip-ons. A pickle. Heinz. It says on there. Oh, those are neat. Oh, I gotta show you, huh? Around $3 to $10. Some clip-ons. Ooh, look at these big ball earrings. Those are big. Oh, I never know what kind of necklaces to get, y'all. I like them all. And then here's some fabulous pins, brooches, with tiger face. Then we were from, oh, I see one for $3 to $15. And look at this purse. I so kind of want this purse. That you open it up. It has like a belt waist thing on there, and then the change purse is loose in there. I mean, dangling. That's kind of cool looking. I mean, it's definitely older, so it's not the cleanest, but it is awesome looking. Oh, I cannot read that.
You gonna have the Christmas stuff out later today, or?
I don't know. It says. I don't know what that says. Jingle maybe. I kind of like that.
Oh, okay. Well, she gets to shop up here.
That's right.
I love these little milk glass mugs. This one they want $12 for. cute. I like the little stand too. Bright colored chicken is a bank.
You sure?
That's really pretty. Oh, this one's really cute. Oh, I have to get that one. It looks like it's missing some beads though. I don't know, it's 3D. That's really cute looking.
Thanks.
And then I want you to get get like 2 things of salsa. And then a little, you know, they have the little plastic salt packets. Yeah, yeah.
Nice. I want $24.95 for that. What you think? Nice box. It's velour. Don't have that color. Oh, is it gonna come off?
Allen's Irish Moss Gum Juice. For coughs and colds. Yes, sir, you can feel them doing you good.
Turn around. How much was it?
He looks like Slugwood.
Is gum? They're gums? $1.85.
Australia.
I like that little milk glass next to it too.
Scripts. Don't need any more of those.
Here's some nice moo-moos. Look at this one. This one's pretty. Ooh, that one's $95. It's 3 pieces though. That's pretty. Look at this baby doll. It's a bigger one. I have a small one like this. And the like a silhouette face. Happy baby. Huh? Cry baby. This is hard to do with one hand. And a sleepy baby. That is so cute. 3 faces, $35.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you click that and click that subscribe button up there and click, give a big thumbs up. Bye.